Okay, so I will teach you, Phoebe, the most important action in Latin American dance, so body action. So there is a few different body action, but this one is the most important. It's called Cuban motion or compression. So I want you to take a look at your shoulder blade and the hip. I want you to squeeze your shoulder towards your hip on the straight leg, yes. And now release and go down. So that's squeezing your shoulder towards the hip without sending hip to the side. This will be the most important action, and it's gonna happen on the count and. So go and. So how to learn it the right way? So imagine like you're pulling something down, like you see this is my hand, pull it down using this muscle. So pull my hand down using these muscles, pull me down, pull down, yes, using this muscle. That's the feeling. That's the feeling. Very good. So you're squeezing down and. Now anytime we change weight to a step, after that we're doing and. So we transfer weight and then we're doing compression and. Transfer weight, compression and. 2 and 30 and 4-1 and 2 and. So less arms, more body. 2 and 30 and 4-1 and feel it, the energy through the middle of your shoulder, through your side, through the straight leg into the heel. So that's where your leg become extremely straight and ideally keep your arms like this for exercise so you can feel how your sides are working. So transfer it to other leg. 2 and 30 and 4-1 and 2 and 30 and 4-1 and. So it's very much activates your back. So your back is working. So now how we can apply it to every different step. So spread your legs a little bit like your shoulder length. So we're going to do figure 8. So as we transfer weight, instead of just wiggling our hips, we're going to produce and. So transfer weight and use your compression shoulder towards the hip and. 2 and 30 and 4-1 and 2 and 30 and 4-1 and. Now we can develop into time step where we do together. Now to close this foot, instead of just like you normally do closing the leg by itself, use this and in coordination with that foot. So you squeeze to collect and now you transfer 2 and 30 and now to step to the side, you're also doing your and that steps you to the side. 4-1 and 2 and 30 and 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 4-1. And that's in every step. So let's say if you do your choreography, when I say and, I want you to squeeze. So put your leg to the side, you go and, so you see you start squeezing here, you go back 2 and squeeze there, 30 and 4-1 and 2 and 30 and 4-1 and walk. And for example, go into sit position, close your feet. So close your feet. Yeah. So when you're even doing closed position, when you sit, you're also gonna squeeze here. And let's say if you want to do hips, you're using your compressions. Yes?